What's going on YouTube? Today I've got a installation video for you. It's going to be of the eRapta, I think that's how you say it, eRapta license plate reverse camera, and I'm going to be installing this on my wife's vehicle. And I do feel like most cars should come with these cameras, especially today they do, but my wife's car is an older 2008, so let's open this bad boy up and let's get started installing it. Alright guys, looks to be decently packaged. Well, we've got instructions. I'm probably going to need those. Keep that handy. Alright, looks like now we have the monitor. It comes with a nice 3M sticky tape on it. Alright, we've got the monitor and the AV cables. Like we've got a power adapter. I'm assuming this is going to be the cable that runs from the camera to the monitor. A couple more cables, and we've got the actual camera here. Let's take a look at this. All right, so you have the actual camera, and I do believe that this is an HD camera, though I don't know exactly what it records in. No, but it does look like the monitor does have a few settings. We got brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, language mode, and reset. So it looks like we'll be able to set up a little bit of the color gamut there. Okay, let's jump into the installation. Installing it down around here, running the cables up, and then connecting from there. So here's the monitor. If I put it here, like I would want it, then the charger is here, unless I hardwire it to the battery, which I could do. But what I'm thinking about doing is putting it over here. Then I can run the wires into this pillar, hardwire it in, and then run the AV cables, I don't know, either down, I can probably run them down and then back, or I can run them up and back.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, I've gotten a little bit further, and I just want to show you the progress so far. So I drilled a hole here to run all these cables in through so I can plug it up to the power. So it is the white cable on the left, that is the power. So I got lucky, only cut one cable. Connected the power cable, soldered, then electrical taped. And then it's not my best soldering job here, but that's the ground cable. And so far I'm just running the cables under. I'll hide them before I'm done, but I just wanted to show you so far. With this monitor, I'm actually going to try to hardwire it in, because the cable they sent with for the cigarette lighter charger is not long enough. Plus I don't know where I would hide them. So but as you can see, it is working. So I'm on the right path. Now I'm just gonna figure out how to hardwire this monitor into, was going to do it into the battery, but I'm thinking it'll be better if I just, it may be too dark to see, but if I just wire it into a fuse box. And then there's plenty of bolts up here for me to run the ground cable. So the problem is that the power cable they sent is also not long enough, so I've got to find another cable somewhere so that I can extend it to make it a little bit longer, run up the pillar and out and to the fuse box. So stay tuned.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, we finally got this bad boy installed. Now let's test her out, see if she works. Alright. Well, everything works as planned. So next up, I'll give it about a week's time of using it and then we'll do a review on it.